Geza accused Tagwireyi of benefiting from government contracts without proper financial contributions, alleging that the government covers any associated cost, he said. Sarabena mashoko ari kuda panguva ino ari kuuya panapa achipfumura kuda kwacho Tagwireyi. Panguva ino tinoona kuti Bombshell Geza achitsanangura the roadmap yakuda kwacho Tagwireyi. Panguva ino akaplana ku replace VP Kosandro Chiwenga and his subsequent takeover of the presidency. Ndokuti boss subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Panapa TV na mna mob dani functions in court. We are being given government companies without paying any cent. If there is any money that is being paid, it is the government that pays on your behalf. You are greedy. You are a very toxic man. Prominent lawyer advocate Tavan Mpov, a member of the SDHH, said he does not agree with the Tagwireyi's current moves, said Mpofu. In quotes, I do not represent or speak on behalf of the SDHH as an individual outside of its formal structures and a mere usher at best. I do not feel obligated to defend its actions or decisions, particularly regarding the Tagwireyi issue, with which I personally disagree. The nation must direct its concerns, which I feel are legitimate to the church itself, which has a moral obligation to address them. I share the concerns being raised by Zimbabweans, particularly as recently articulated by Elder Geza. On the question of how this country must be run, my views align with those of the Catholic bishops. Tagwireyi has been accused of causing division in the SDHH in Harare by using his financial influence to win over pastors and elders, making them loyal to him. Recently, Zambia's Harare province recommended Tagwireyi for a position in the party's Central Committee, the top decision-making board, when Congress is not in session. Geza claimed that President Mnangagwa's plan is to sideline Vice President Kosandro Chiwenga and allow Tagwireyi to replace him. Reports suggest that the plan is for Tagwireyi to first take over Chiwenga's vice presidential role, then be prepared to succeed Mnangagwa as president. Geza, who has accused Tagwireyi of corruption, vowed to stop what he believes is a plot by Mnangagwa and his wife Auxilia to help Tagwireyi become president. Ndo mashoko aripo panguva ino anoonekwa kunzi awo Tavan Mpov panguva ino is supporting Bombshell Geza. Mashoko nepautterances ari kuda achitaura ari kuonekwa kunzi these are just plans to sideline VP Kosandro Chiwenga. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pana comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.